This is a 1969 Ford Torino Talladega. Has a 428 Cobra jet engine. Essentially was built to homologate the model for NASCAR racing, and as such had a great history. Won a lot of prizes. There were 750 of these models built. This one is dark blue in color. The Talladegas differed from the regular Torino in that front grille was flush. It was a little bit longer, more aerodynamic nose. The hood is that flat black color. There you see the specifications. It's an auction car at the Mecum auction in Kissimmee. There's the signage there on the door panel indicating its special Talladega model. Now, if you're looking for fancy interior, you won't find it here. This is very basic interior. It has automatic transmission. There's the Cobra symbol there on the dash. Very basic vinyl upholstery. There's a back seat. Very large shelf there in the back. And you can see it's a fastback. It's a sports, what they call a sports roof. And that added, of course, to the aerodynamics, which were very good on this car. And right after this car was produced, Ford essentially got out of the racing business. Imagine having this car back in the day. Even has those wide oval tires. Very well done. And there you see the very adequate way air could get under the hood there.